Hello, amazing morning, everyone. My name is Mentor Maria Ferrujas, and this is the day 3 of United, the Lion and the Lamb Worldwide. I am a Ruby Elite Executive of the company. I am worldwide, a house and lot achiever, a car achiever, a millionaire, and a millionaire maker. And definitely ito ang tamang training para sa'yo dahil po pag-uusapan natin ang inviting and prospecting. Are you ready? So I'm going to share my screen right now. There you go. So, prospecting and inviting skills. Ganito po kaganda sa I Am Worldwide. Libre na po lahat ng mga trainings. Ikaw na lang ang magpa-plug in at pag-aaralan natin siya. Okay? Para magkaroon tayo ng resulta. And these slides are courtesy by Mentor Jean Mantala, our Diamond Mentor. Okay? So, here we go. So, sabi po dito, no, kailangan na pag-usapan natin yung Manual 3.0, kailangan tama yung mindset natin. So, ano yung kailangan natin malaman na para mapabilis yung ating business is that tanggalin natin, no, ang ganitong mindset, yung wrong mindset. Teka lang po. Ito pa ako. Floating, yan, there. Okay. So, sabi dito na qualified ba itong tao na to para sa business ko? So, doon pa lang, nagpe-prejudge ka na. Nakita mo lang yung, um, yung isang tao na nasa harapan mo na, no? Na ready na makipag-usap sa'yo, pero ikaw yung hesitant. Meron ba siyang magandang reason para mag-build ng long-term na business? Huwag agad-agad mag-judge, no? Meron ba siyang problema na solusyonan ng product or business ko? Yun yung dapat natin tanungin. Ang tamang tao ba siya para makapartner ko? Kasi mag-i-invest din ako sa kanya ng time para turuan at i-guide siya. Tandaan po, hindi po natin alam yung future, hindi natin kontrolado. Ang kontrolado lang po natin ay yung ngayon at makapagtulong or makausap natin yung ating prospect or yung kliyente para matulungan po natin siya. Hindi po natin malalaman ang kanyang problema kung hindi po natin siya kakausapin. Kaya wrong mindset po yung mga ito. Kailangan po open mind po tayo to help other people because we are agent of hope. Okay? Next po tayo. Right approach or be proactive. Once makita mo online message mo na, hi prospect name, anong pangalan niya? Kunyari, hi Marife, naghanap ako ng mga taong willing matuto kung paano kumita ng additional income, working part-time or full-time. Hindi ko maipapangako kung pwede ka dito, pero tatanungin din kita, open ka ba sa idea na pwede ka magkaroon ng extra income habang nasa bahay ka? 'Di ba po? Walang mawawala kung hindi ka magtatanong, marami kang magge-gain. Friendship, and again, malalaman mo kung ano yung sagot niya. Okay? Base naman po diyan sa sasabihin ng ating kliyente. Okay? Hi, thank you for the like. By the way, baka may kakilala ka na naghahanap ng amazing pure organic barley. Please let me know, legit distributor ako ng barley. At once may ma-refer ka, bibigyan kita ng commission. Thank you and God bless. O bibigyan mo pa siya ng commission, nagkaroon ka pa ng sales. Tama? Okay? Maximize our online posting and stories. Okay? 80% attracting clients, 20% other post. Kailangan hindi lahat yan tungkol sa product. Kailangan iba-iba rin yung posts mo. At the same time, you are attracting your clients, kaya dapat presentable rin yung mga pinopost mo. All positive lang po. Okay? Right approach, reactive. Asking si client, how much ang barley? Okay? Barley powder is 1,000 per box with 10 sachets inside, and barley capsule is 1,750 per box, 100 capsules inside. Kapag hindi member, but we highly suggest mag-avail na lang po sila ng wholesale package namin para next purchase po nila 30% to 50% lifetime discount na po. Ito nga pala po yung aking contact information. Again, you're being informative at the same time you're suggesting and giving them the solution. And of course, your contact number. Okay? How much? Ito yung sagot. Hi, sorry late reply po. Ito po yung price natin. Barley powder, okay? Kailangan naka-type in na yan. Ready to copy-paste. Pag gusto nila maging member katulad sa akin, gusto din po pagkakitaan, avail lang sila ng whole package. Ito, choices natin. We have 4 best-selling packages included na dito yung incentive ng company like free travel, gadgets, car, and house and lot. Silver, 16,800, 17 boxes of barley. Lifetime discount on the health and wellness products with money-back programs worth 24,500. Okay, yes po, may unlimited money back program po tayo. Gold, 44,800, 45 boxes ang babalik sa'yo. Lifetime discount on all health and wellness products, and yung iba pa, and so on. Okay, hello sis. So, Gcash na lang po. Sana po ay saan ako mag-pay? Sige sis, ito yung number. Okay? So, ayan po, binigay na po niya. Kasi kasama na po dyan yung shipping fee. Okay? Right approach, reactive. Asking si client how to join in IM Worldwide. Hi, prospect name. Thanks sa inquiry mo. To start in IM Worldwide, avail lang po sila ng whole package. One time lang po mag-a-avail ng business package. Hi, Jean. Lagi ko kasi nakikita sa post and by day mo yung barley products nyo. Interested kasi ako how to purchase ba? Yes, hey, yan yung product namin. Sino gagamit? Okay? Kaming family. Paano magpa-member? Okay? Mas mura pala kapag nagpa-member. Set ko details. Okay? So, again, kinapi-paste lang ni Mentor Jean. Okay? So, ayan. Yung Silver 2.0 yung package na kukunin ko. Again, Aura mismo makukuha na. Pwede bang transfer tapos padala via Flash yung package? Saan ka nag-stay ngayon? Here's a Quezon City. Bank transfer ko na lang yung payment. You can watch this video also para magka-idea ka sa mga benefits na makukuha mo sa package. Okay? Then, yan. Okay. As for the details, yung kabuuan, anong package, anong option, and yung name, full name, birthday, kasi kasama po yan sa e-encode. And then, yun na po yung bank transfer nila. Okay? So, daily posting is a must. Okay? Hi ma'am, interested po ako sa IM Worldwide. Hi sis, saan po sila? Taga saan po sila? Paano po nila nalaman about IM Worldwide? FB po. Okay po, to start in IM Worldwide, sis, avail lang sila ng wholesale package. One time lang tayo mag-avail ng business package. Ano business side niya, sis? Familiar ka na sis sa networking? Yes, sis. Pairing din ba? Binary? Yes, one account policy and binary tayo. Ano yung difference ng business side, yung 40K and 112? If ever sis may time ka, mag-watch ng video, 31 minutes, maka 1.5 speed lang. Yan. Talk ko sa isang inquiry ni record ko. Okay? Sige sis, yung link na lang. Here sis, let me know pag natapos mo ng panoorin. Sis, done. Okay? Maganda sis? Oo sis. Bet ko mag-jade. Okay po? Nag-jade po. O, di ba? Ang galing. May BPI ako sis. Ayan. Okay. The art of questioning. The person who asks questions controls the conversation. Build rapport first, family, occupation, recreation, and message. That is what we call the acronym form. Huwag maging pushy salesman, okay? Kailangan po i-rapport siya, tanungin yung problem para malaman ko yung problem and then solution. Malalaman mo ang reason why, needs, wants, desires, at problems ng prospects mo. Doon po natin sila magbibigay ng solution. Good internet connection is very necessity. Requirements po siya kasi po kailangan po natin ng magandang source of gagamitin natin na equipment, no? So, or gadget. 24/7 internet connection, mobile cellular data or pocket Wi-Fi or home broadband, a phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop. Okay? To do, generate Facebook prospect, generate at least 5,000 friends and followers, 80% prospect, 20% IM top movers, and teammates. 10 to 20% IM mentors. IM Facebook mo ilagay mo, may mga IM sa harapan ng names nila yan. President, EM, VP, top mentors, your leaders. Join and participate Facebook groups and groups chat Group chats within the team. Sponsors, please add your members. Again po mga mentors, it is a must. And we're just following also kung ano po yung ginagawa ng mga top mentors natin. We have to help our business partners and downlines. Please add them to the GCs and let them be active on the GCs. Let them know how important it is that we should be very active sa team. Okay? 80 to 90% prospects, add friends or non-IM friends. Qualify MENT. Okay? So ito po yung acronym naman po natin, MENT, Money, Entrepreneurial Spirit, Authority, Needs, Time. So dito po natin madidistinguish kung sino yung kausap natin or what we call din pong MAN. MAN, Money, Authority, or Needs. Pinaiksi na po siya. Students looking for part-time, fresh graduates looking for jobs, groups based on professional or job, buy and sell groups, OFW groups based on recreation, hobby, and interest. Add at least 10 new friends per day. Baliwala yung daily posting and stories mo kung kaunti lang yung Facebook friends mo. Kaya kailangan paramihin mo yung mga nakakita ng post mo. Unfriend or delete negative friends per day to make way for new prospect friends. Make name list of added friends called market list. Make an engagement with new friends, like or comment sa mga posts nila. Do this after the training ASAP. Set up valuable and credible Facebook account. Your Facebook account is your branding. Okay? So, kung gusto po natin magkaroon at ma-uplift natin yung sarili nating value sa ating company and sa ating team, and of course, to boost also our confidence level, we should have an account, Facebook account, and clean it up. Clean it up. Okay? So, dapat lagay yung full name. Okay? Wag po natin lalagyan ng fraud name, hindi mo pangalan, o kaya AKA, ganyan. So, mas maganda kasi nga, you're doing the business right, be professional na. Professional profile picture, attractive and professional cover photo. Add to profile details, sample works at IM Worldwide Corporation as independent distributor or team leader or business consultant. Watch Facebook Lift by VPI ka in YouTube. Okay? Okay, ang dami na pong check niya na consistency is the key. The more valuable and credible leader you become, more followers, likers, greater social credibility, the more attractive you become to your prospect, greater number of inquiries. Again po, kailangan po maging credible tayo and again, attractive. Tanim, compounding effect. Kailangan po natin maintindihan sa proseso ng isang business entrepreneur, multi-level marketing or networker po. Kailangan din po natin maintindihan na hindi po mabilis ang pag-success. Kailangan po natin maintindihan na meron pong seasonal and kailangan po magtanim po tayo ng mga kausap, magtanim po tayo ng mabubuting gawain para po eventually yan po ang magpo-prosper sa atin. Okay, so again, never quit lang po tayo. Mindset. A little progress each day adds up to big results. Okay po? Step by step, gawin lang po para lumago tayo at magkaroon tayo ng resulta. Katulad po ni Mentor Jean Mantala. Ayan. And that is the end of my slide. Again, my name is Mentor Marifer Rojas, giving you a prosperous training and lively training under the team United, the Lion and the Lamb Worldwide. I am your mentor, Marifer Rojas. I am a Ruby Elite Executive and I am worldwide. To God be the glory. Salamat po.